What is going on YouTube? It's been a while since I've uploaded anything. Not that I upload much anyway, but nonetheless, here we are. As you can see, I upgraded the F-150 EcoBoost a few months back. Same color, not really by choice, but this is a used 2017, 50,000 miles on it. Got a really good deal, certified pre-owned. Loving the truck so far. One little minor complaint, and this is what this video's geared towards, is the factory fuel tank capacity. There's a little bit left to be desired. So what I did was I put in a 50-gallon RDS gravity-fed transfer tank. Really simple install. I mean, really simple install. There she is. She found the holes, drilled them out, bolted it down. I do have rubber strips underneath to help for shock absorption a little bit. I do plan on putting a bed cover on, so I ran the vent line out the back and underneath the bed. That way, when I do get a bed cover, not a whole lot of fumes. Spin and secure locking fuel cap, and my bungs are taped with thread sealant and tightened down. Have the 1/2-inch main shut off. It goes through the bed and down to the filler neck. Let me hop down and I will show you what. Okay, so obviously we're underneath the truck, and this is the RDS diesel kit. So what this does is splices into your factory filler neck, tees off to where the transfer tank will gravity feed into your main tank. I was under the assumption that, let me see if I can get you a better view. This right here was a check ball to keep from overfilling your factory tank. That is not the case. All this is a rollover protection valve. In the unlikely event or unfortunate event that you roll over, a little metal ball will fall into place into a seat and keep your tank from draining out. What I did was I bought a $4 inline fuel filter. Yes, I know there's 2 factory filters, but $4 is cheap insurance. So in order to keep from having to shut and open the main tank valve every time I want to fill up, I installed a solenoid fuel shutoff valve. I wired it directly into a number 1 upfitter switch. Easy peasy. There is not constant power to that particular switch, so if I forget to shut it off, shut the truck off, de-energizes the coil, bam, valve goes shut, no bubbles, no troubles. This is a normally closed fuel solenoid shutoff valve. Technically it's a tank selector switch, but it works. So you have fuel that comes in. This is de-energized. Sorry for all the damn noise. Wait for this truck to leave. So fuel comes in, it's de-energized, valve is closed, it's not going to overfill your factory tank. Found out the hard way last night that this is not an overflow check. Okay, so driving down the road, want to fill up, flip on the number 1 upfitter switch, valve goes open, fills as I'm driving. I can set it if I forget, shut the truck off, valve closes. It's kind of a little bit of a redundancy. This right here, I just, as you can see, put a hose, a bolt, and a clamp, because if I didn't have this and the truck was off, fuel would just pour out. I think this was 60 bucks. I needed it in a pinch, so yeah, I overpaid. I saw them online for $38. Paid 60 bucks for this. Oh well. I am gonna put something on here to weatherproof it a little bit more. Thinking about maybe rhino lining it. Spray and bed liner. See how that works. We'll go to the engine compartment and I'll show you what I did to wire up. Okay, on the 2017 through 19, I'm pretty sure the 2020 is the same. All your upfitter switches run to right here behind this relay box. They are zip tied, so you'll have to cut the zip tie to get them free. Right here is your little cheat sheet, if you will, telling you what wire goes to what upfitter switch. For upfitter switch number 1, it was brown and green. Don't quote me on that. Pretty sure though. So what I did is unzip tied it, cut this little factory molded end off, flipped it on, and I tested to make sure the circuit was working. It was. I did a butt splice with a little solder joint, heat shrinked it, and left it in the wire loom. Once I was done, folded everything back up, zip tied it, good to go. Like I said, this is super simple. It's nice because, like I said, I can be driving down the road, flip the switch, and fill. I don't have to reach in here every time, open it up, get back on the road, forget about it, take the chance of overrunning the factory tank. So this is just the way I did it. I'm sure there's several other ways people have done it. I don't see the need for a pump. I mean, even going through that filter, it filled up pretty stinking quick. So that's what I did, and we'll see how it works. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.